you sent, right?
No.
Okay.
It was
let's
like
get
a
to it.
dragon one.
Okay.
Okay.
Recap, no. Okay, so basically, overall, I think my bias, I gotta check. I was sick today, so I wasn't really in the best state of mind. So we could check this out real quick, see what we have. We had SMT at the lows. Okay, so I was initially bullish going into the day just because of the regular trading hour gap. I had constant encroachment of that marked out, which it was a little bit higher than here, but you don't have to worry about that because we went lower. People say we had sequential SMT, all the good stuff at the bottom. All I really saw was this 9 p.m. low, close enough to 9 p.m. that we put in, and I really want to see this get swept after we failed to go further into the regular, or the opening range gap. And I think for proper analysis, I'll go mark that out. Okay, this is just going to be a rough thing of it, but look, this right here was our target going into the day. I wanted to see this get filled. We didn't really have any power of 3. I wanted to see more manipulation higher. Everything today was bullish. I refrained from doing anything or taking any crazy trades. I was mainly, I'm sick, I'm not really in the best condition to take a trade, so I'm just going to be patient and wait. We also had an hourly, pretty sure it was an hourly. Let me switch back to our normal thing. That was something I did as an exercise. Hourly, 4 hour, let's see. We had this 4 hour gap right here. Am I in the right one? Let's go on the 15-minute. 4 hour gap plus 15-minute gap and this low right here. So all three of these got ran out. I'm not sure. I didn't really look around in the trading space. I like to see some other people's ideas and the trades they took. And sorry. But we have right here, I'm just going to go over what ICT said or summarized in the live stream. Fair value gap, we failed to reach constant encroachment. We're pretty bullish. We push up higher. Rejection block up here. We have constant encroachment of this mean threshold of this wick respected, which prompts us to go lower. We have this inversion fair value gap right here. I wouldn't really say this is 3 drives. Overall, I like seeing the mohawks above. The body's respecting mean threshold of this wick right here outside of the macro. We push lower, and we go to run up this low right here. And he called this a landmine. We're respecting this for our BISI. Push below. I want to see if the body's respected it on the 5-minute. It probably did if we go on the 15-minute. Bodies respected it for the most part. So I would have been pretty bullish seeing the bodies respected. But overall, the entire day was accumulation. So I think the key takeaway from today is realizing this isn't even tradable price action. This is just accumulation. We can't trade accumulation. There's no opportunity in it. We could have had something here, but even then, I don't like trading when we're inside of accumulation, especially when we have a macro that we're not inside of a macro. If I want to trade accumulation, or some days that have more accumulation, I would want to try trading inside of a macro or look for a trade inside of the macro, which, holy moly. I guess one thing I could do for this, for some of the members, we have this inversion for value gap 1050 macro. No, that would have, okay, there wasn't even an opportunity here too. Overall, it was just straight. We run up the slow, push higher, go lower, higher time frame, accumulation right here. Now you push up higher, we have a little run up higher. I think we pushed into a discount. Yeah, we did. Accumulation, run lower, accumulation, it's just horrible. This price action isn't really optimal. I'll see in the PM session because right here, I'm going to mark out our lunch, which the way you have bias going into lunch, or the way I've always had bias going into lunch, I look for whatever lows are swept. So, I mean, obviously, higher time frame, if we're looking at the bigger picture, we already swept this low inside, and our bodies are respecting an hourly BISI, so we'd be bullish. And during lunch, we run up this, 12 p.m., we run up this lunch low, and we push up higher, bodies, or overall, just respecting these fair value gaps. We have kind of a shift in market structure. I haven't used those in a while, but shift in market structure, 1 minute BISI right here, respecting, push up, push lower, respect, going higher, we're entering a macro, and I'm not going to be completely honest with you, I wouldn't have taken a trade here. I would have just tape read, because looking at this right here, this is horrible too. And I was going to say we could have found a potential trade in here, but I really don't see any type of setup that would have been A+ or high probability today. So, I mean, looking at the 5-minute, this is just a disaster. Run lower, of course this is okay. Only viable trade probably would have been this, just chop, push up higher, and that's it. So, I mean, how did you guys do today? I want to see what trades you guys took. Just, you're good, Reno. Just tell me what trades you guys took here on the trading floor. Okay, that's good. Not looking at NQ was good too. Is that everything you guys have?
Wait, yo, I have a question.
Yeah, what's up? Fury, hello, Fury.
Are we supposed to be trading the September contract or the December contract right now?
Oh, whoa. yeah, I think we're supposed to just be ADJ. The way I was doing, just be ADJ. I think there's something more meticulous to that, but the way I've always done is just be ADJ. And move drawing. Lost 3x, fixed it so I won't lose from it ever again. Exactly, just journal this stuff. When the conditions are bad, you just journal. I would have journaled. I wish I could have just watched the charts and journaled my emotions for the most part. But, I was sick. I slept through it. Like, after the PM session, I watched the PM session. I was watching ICT in my bed. I couldn't really I couldn't really hold into my consciousness, so I just fell asleep. I woke up at 6 after, so that's really all I had. We could do bias going into tomorrow. Let me check our Forex Factory. I gotta remember what news we have. 16. Is this correct? Actually, I'll check out the weekly. I posted it in there. Where's it at? Right here. Okay, weekly. Doesn't say that. Okay, it does. Core retail sales, 8:30 p.m. Hopefully this can be manipulation. Let's see what else we have. FOMC. Shoot. This is going to be bad. Especially for tomorrow. Okay. I don't really like trading FOMC days. I've never had luck trading them. They're always... FOMC days have always brought me bad luck. They've cursed me every single time. So I don't like trading FOMC. But I'll try figuring something out going into tomorrow. Because if I'm not trading Wednesday... I'll try finding something here. Tuesday, 8:30 is good. Core retail sales. Hopefully we can get manipulation or something. Just destroy one side of this. Where we have on the hourly. So, bias. Let's see this. Let's look for any type of higher time frame SMTs. Bang. Bang. Okay. So, I'm just going to do a quick overview. I mean, it's going to take me a little bit to comprehend this. SMT right here. SMT right here. S&P at the highs. A lot of S&Ps at the highs. Not really any at the lows. Should I check US 30? I guess I will. Dow Jones. I wouldn't really say anything other than this right here. I mean, okay, going into tomorrow, I guess I kind of want SMT at the lows. I'm going to try to figure out strict bias. Inversion up above that for our daily. Okay, daily busy, scale into 4 hour. But he's respecting that. I don't think this is going to have much play. I want to see us inverse this. I'm kind of bullish. Let me check out something real quick. Oops. Dealing range. I want to see where we're at. Any type of discount PD raise of this entire leg. Okay. I'm going to leave this low marked out. Okay. I'm just going to leave this here. This is discount. I feel like we want to return back down into there. Okay, you know what? Flip the bias. Tomorrow, what I want to see. Retrace lower. Bang. That's it. Retrace lower. Retrace lower. This is it. The final bias. I'm going to call this. I'm going to flip my bias. I'm not bullish anymore. Respect of this. Hourly, SIBI. Shift in market structure. Retrace. Go lower. That's it. Final bias. It took me a little bit to realize that. But I'm not a vegetable. So it should be fine. I'm going to keep these highs. This high right up here. Run into it. Higher, something to do with 830. 830 pushes us higher, we push lower. That's all I can say. Push higher for our SIBI, down into this discount, maybe turtle soup. We'll see. I'll put this in my analyst channel for what I hope will happen tomorrow. That's it though. Do you have any questions? Anything you guys want to go over? I'll check straight to the floor. For us to go lower, DXY needs to go higher. Nothing? Okay. Well then, if that's everything, I hope you guys have a good one. We're done with the recap now. I'll see you guys later, okay? Goodbye.